Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of function and this is part 6. So in this lecture I am going to discuss function program. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss it. So today I am going to write a C program to calculate the factorial of a given number using function. So let's open up the Turbo C++ compiler and I will show you how do I create this program. So let's go ahead. So guys, now we are trying to find out the factorial of a given number using function. So we have declared a function factorial and we have passed a parameter int and that will be of integer type. Actually, it is the number whose factorial is to be found. We are using unsigned long int as a return type for this function factorial. So basically this factorial function will return unsigned long int value. Now question arises, why we are using unsigned long int? So suppose if we are using integer as a return type, then we cannot find out the factorial greater than 8. And suppose if we are using long int as a return type for this function, then we cannot find out the factorial greater than 19. So that's why we are using this unsigned keyword, and that will actually doubles the range of long integer. And if you want to know more about this unsigned integer keyword, then a link is coming up in the suggestion. You need to see this. And in the main function, I have declared two variables, n that is of integer type and r is of unsigned long int. And now I am taking input for variable n from the keyboard using scanf function, and then I will pass this value to the factorial function. And when we call this function factorial, the value of n will be passed to the variable x, and then we can find out the factorial by using for loop, and then calculated value of factorial will be returned to the main function and that will be stored to r, and then we can print the factorial by using printf function. So now if I run this code, it is basically requesting to enter a number. So let me enter a number. So let's say it is 5, and if I press enter, then the output would be like this. The factorial is 120. So I hope it is clear to you. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.